What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Mike, and some of you have actually been asking for an update on the garden, how it's doing. It's been about 5 months now, so let's have a look and yeah, let's see what veggies we got. I did remove quite a few stuff, but I'll walk you guys through it as we go now. Alright, let's go. Here's my dog, Chewbacca, chilling in the sun. We got a nice autumn day here. Sun's looking good, nice and warm, bit chilly in the mornings. Garden's looking nice. Let's move on to the vegetables. So our strawberries didn't carry a lot of fruit, and you can see the cold at night starting to get to them. Our Vietnamese coriander is doing beautiful. It's actually spread along the whole entire garden here at the bottom. Our Cape gooseberries, I harvested a few yesterday. They are starting to die off. As you can see, the leaves are starting to brown. And we've got our beautiful black basil here. And the reason I planted this was to actually help pollinate with all the veggies. As you can see, we got a little honeybee there at work trying to get some of the pollen spread. And here's our rocket, the basil, and I actually harvested a whole bowl of these Tabasco chilies and some of the jalapenos that we have here as well. So they're looking absolutely beautiful. Then we got our rosemary in the back here, looking good. And then, yeah, we've got some weeds here I didn't pull out. There we go, bye bye. And our baby eggplants. Let's have a look here. Yeah, there we go. Baby eggplants. And then the big eggplants. So we're actually going to harvest these today. Get them out before the cold destroys them. And we got our mint in the back. So the garden's actually doing very well. I had to, in an emergency situation, actually remove the potatoes that we had over there. They came out very nicely. I'll post a photo of them. They were about the size of my hand, pretty big. But yeah, so I'm thinking about actually closing it off for the winter. I don't know if it's going to help the plants much because some of them are seasonal, but they are looking very, very good. So yeah, that's a quick update on the vegetable garden. Nice view here from the side. And there we go. It's holding up nicely. It's sustaining quite a bit of insects and earthworms and beetles and bees especially. So it's flourishing pretty nicely. A lot of these plants are not going to survive. We'll just pull them out in the long run. And yeah, just remove them. Maybe use them as compost or fertilizer or something. But that's it, guys. A quick update on today's all on the vegetable garden that we did a few months ago. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to drop a like down below, comment and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.